Hey everybody, today we are learning how to fillet an Alaskan salmon. The first step is to make a cut behind the gills down to the backbone and then run your knife along that backbone all the way down the length of the fish without cutting through the backbone. Then you're going to make long cuts along the rib bones from the top of the fish down through the bottom of the fish, leaving the ribs in the fish. Notice the long sweeping cuts as he cuts from the top of the fish down past the ribs and through the bottom of the fish. That'll make the fillet a lot smoother. Now there are still some bones in this fillet, and this guy is going to run his fingers along that fillet and feel those bones, and then he is going to cut on either side of those bones and pull that little strip of meat out that has those bones in it. There's another technique where you can also just feel those bones with your finger and then use a set of pliers and pluck each bone out one at a time. It doesn't take that long and it leaves a little bit more meat and the fillet's a lot nicer. There you have it. Those are the basics of filleting an Alaskan salmon. Hey guys, if you like this video, make sure you click here to subscribe to our channel. Speak Gear has many more outdoor videos that we'd love for you to check out. Thanks for watching today, and we will see you next time.